We have arrived at the golf course. We have Chintu waiting for us.
Morning, Bia.
How are you feeling, Chintu?
Good.
The feel is good?
Yeah.
Golf balls you're playing?
Pro VX.
Pro VX. Yeah. So that's the entry gate with IGPL branding, and I'm super excited for the day 2. So these are all caddies being allotted by the caddy master. They're having the breakfast. Players are arriving. All players. Mr. Ghai is here. All geared up.
All good.
Buddy,
All
buddy?
geared up. Buddy, buddy.
Hi, chicks. How are you?
Good, bud.
All ready? All set?
Already. Always.
Yes. Let's see some birdies coming today.
Buddy.
Yep. So here we have Mr. Mundi, and he is hunky dory, very happy for the day 2. How is the feeling? You excited?
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Can't be better.
Yep.
Good scores. I'm always good.
Let's see a lot of buddies happening today.
Buddy.
Come on, Mr. Mundi. You are the one. So that's the Fan Village Park. Some super exciting challenges. Crazy putt, chipping challenge. That's the merchandise store. And here we have Mr. Naman Dawar. You are the one? Come on, Anu. That's the tour village. Everybody is having breakfast. Come on, Arinda, are you? All set? So I have started to grab some breakfast, getting some energy to banter around with some players. That's the counter for scorecard collection. Hi everybody, how are you feeling? And here we have Mr. Ishan. Are you geared up for today?
Yes, come on IGPL.
Come on IGPL.
This is day 3, final round.
It's buddy time.
Buddy time.
Everybody is getting their designated jobs. आप लोग तैयार हैं सब? Come on IGPL. All set for the final stage at IGPL Jaipur Invitational.
Come on, IGPL!
Be the one. Tight match between Aman Raj, Karthik Singh and Sachin Bisoya. Well-deserved victory for Aman Raj. Now it's time to head back to Gurgaon. I have a flight to catch at 11:30 a.m. and I'm waiting for my cab. The front gate of the mess. सत श्री अकाल जी. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? 1-2 शब्द.
आपसे मिलकर बढ़िया लगा.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड आपके आगे के भविष्य के लिए गुड लक. Thank you. So we are about to reach the airport, Patrika Gate, and it's a very beautiful foundation. Looks epic. On my right, if you can see, it's a big structure, and I think it's made in white marble. So finally, the Jaipur trip is going to end here. I enjoyed it thoroughly. What a place to come and stay, play golf, do tournaments. ये क्या टोल लेते हैं जी? ओके
सर यहाँ 10 मिनट फ्री है.
ओके
10 मिनट का अगर गाड़ी मेरी बाहर नहीं निकली ना
हाँ जी.
तो 70 रुपए मेरे कट जाएंगे. फास्टैग उसमें खाते में से.
So they have very strict rule for the cars to coming in, and they give 10 minutes of free period, and if more than that, then they cut 70 rupees from the FASTag. So that's the arrival. Thank you कुश जी.
ओके सर.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ सफर करके, एंड फिर जब जयपुर आएंगे जरूर संपर्क करेंगे आपसे. आई एम चेकिंग इन थ्रू डिजी यात्रा. आई नीड टू स्कैन माई इमेज. व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज स्कैन माई फेस. Thank you, ji.
Welcome.
Gate number 3, and here we go. Now I'm relaxed. I have ample of time to catch the flight. There is a long queue at the backdrop. A lot of waiting around. And I think only an hour left for the flight. It's time for security check. Crashed into someone of similar interest. Her name is Kara. Hi, Kara, how are you?
Hi, I am good, thank you. So yeah, Jaipur is just amazing. I am about to get a flat in Jaipur, so I'm gonna move to Jaipur, and I really would love to start with golf. And I got some touch points with golf, but not too much. So I'm happy I meet you as well. I
Yeah.
want you as my private teacher.
Yeah,
So,
definitely,
please.
definitely. I also told you about IGPL, which we have just started.
Yes.
And probably maybe we might like to invite you for one of the tournaments.
I would love that totally. Also, you know, for when you do a lot of golf, it's
Yeah.
important to have a balance with the stretch. So I'm also a yoga teacher, and I am focusing for experts in sports. So any kind of sport does need certain asanas. So I
Right.
can adjust to golf players as well.
Thank
Now
you.
our boarding is going. We're gonna be the last two passengers, but the best is always coming as the last. huh?
Yes,
So this is it.
cheers. You are right. Thank you. Boarding time and saying bye to Jaipur. And it was sweet memories, good tournament, IGPL, and met a lot of good friends. So looking forward to come back again. That's the end of the journey. We have reached Delhi airport. After a long wait, finally my luggage has arrived. Before I exit, I have to make sure that I take something for my daughter. I'm buying a box of Profalo. I'm exiting Delhi airport. So I booked my Uber and I'm exiting the airport. It was a wonderful journey in the Pink City. Enjoyed thoroughly people, the atmosphere, the golf, the IGPL. Next destination, which is Kolkata, the city of joy. Lot of things to happen and hopefully you will also enjoy. Stay tuned.